The Directorate of Criminal Investigations (DCI) has launched a full-scale probe into the mysterious death of Father John Maina, a Catholic priest from Igwamiti Parish in Nyahururu. Father Maina's body was found on May 15th along the Nakuru-Nairobi highway near Diatomite Stage by a passing motorcycle rider. The priest, appearing weak and disoriented, claimed he had been abducted in Nyahururu. He was rushed to St. Joseph's Mission Hospital in Gilgil but sadly died shortly after arrival. Medical staff observed visible bruises on the left side of his head. However, an autopsy conducted on May 19th revealed the injuries may not have caused his death. Toxicological tests are now underway to determine the exact cause. Authorities suspect foul play, with reports suggesting that Father Maina was being followed by unknown individuals. It is believed the suspects were demanding money allegedly given to him during a profile Silver Jubilee and ordination ceremony held in April, an event attended by former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and other politicians. Although there are claims that the priest had expressed fears for his life, he had not filed any police report. The DCI has recorded multiple statements and is pursuing forensic leads. The Catholic Church and Nyahururu residents are mourning a respected cleric whose death has left many seeking answers. I, Robert Mutasi.